through in the end, but it wasn't all plain sailing, was it?
No, it was a tough game. We knew that before the start. I said it's going to be a battle today. It's a local derby. There's a big crowd here, to be fair. I thought 2-0 up we were comfortable, but to be fair, they've had a good go second half. Clawed the way back into it. Disappointed with the goals we conceded. You know, I thought 4 mistakes, but in the end we've come away with a victory, so pleasing.
Yeah, the victory is obviously the main thing, but in the first half it looked like it could have been a much more comfortable game.
Yeah, we should have put the chances away again. I've said that every week. Like I said, didn't put chances away, and I thought the goals we conceded were sloppy, so we'll have to work on that and hopefully do a little bit better on Tuesday.
And I suppose the win is even more impressive when you consider the result at the weekend.
Yeah, like I said, performance-wise, Saturday against Bangor, I thought we did well. People must believe that, but I thought the result was poor, but I thought the performance as well was good. Only thing we were down with tonight was injuries. We lost another 3 players, so we are literally down to the bare bones now.
You mentioned injuries there, and there's also a short turnaround now to the next game, so that's not ideal, is it?
No, another big derby Tuesday. It's a away game, but we're playing here, so hopefully it'll help. But I say at the moment we're down to the bare bones. Like tonight's, we had 17-year-old, 18-year-old playing full back, so we did it again. They both did well, so I think we'll be relying again on the academy on Tuesday night.
And just finally, you mentioned the academy lads there. It's good to see Jack Allen make his first start, and he performed really well.
He played really well again. Like I said, every academy player's coming so far has done really exceptional for us, so we're relying on. So no, another one's made his debut, so good.